My name's Jackie Bender. I've spent over a decade living in major cities, in some pretty awesome apartments. But new apartment buildings are going up all the time, each one with bigger and better amenities. You can't possibly have time to see them all. But that's why I'm doing it for you. Come with me to tour some of the country's most spectacular apartment buildings. So I'm checking out Chestnut Place today and I'm meeting Victor. Hi, you must be Victor.
I'm Victor.
Nice
Pleasure.
to meet you, I'm Jackie.
Nice
Thank you for
you.
having me. What an amazing location. You're right in the heart of the Gold Coast here.
Oh, it's perfect. You know what they say, location, location, location.
The Gold Coast is awesome because it's so walkable to everything. It's got the best shopping in the whole city. It has iconic restaurants like Gibson's and Hugo's, and you have everything right around you from grocery stores to coffee shops. This building is really right in the middle of everything.
Michigan Avenue is like 3-4 blocks away, and then Rush Street like a block away. We have all kinds of things to do, lots of good restaurants. It's amazing.
I also, when I was walking in, I saw you have a Big Shoulders coffee. Is that right in this building?
It's right in the building, yeah.
The Big Shoulders coffee is actually connected to the lobby, so you don't even have to go outside to get to the coffee shop. And then you've got a couple grocery stores. One is right across the street. Potash? Is it Potash? Is that how you say it? Potash? Is someone gonna answer?
Thank you for calling Potash Market.
Potash! But whatever the case is, you have groceries. Well, can we go check out the amenities?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is our mezzanine level, which is our amenity floor.
Wow, you are definitely right on State Street. This is amazing. This would be an amazing backdrop to be your work from home location. And you have lots of space for that.
Yeah, I mean, right here, actually, we have a business center,
Yep.
with along with a printer. There's a conference room right next to that.
So in addition to being walkable from everything, you've got a lot of spaces where you can work from home. You can take phone calls if you're working from home in the conference room. You could have people for meetings. There's a lot of space that's just practical. But it's not all work, there's fun too. You've got the pool
Right,
table.
so we have a pool table here. There's actually a fitness room right up the hall there. And then in the other room, we have a kitchen there where we actually have resident events going on all the time.
I want to see the party room. Let's go there.
Okay, let's go there. So this is the party room.
Ooh, party room.
So a lot of good things happen here. Everything works. The
Yes.
fridge, I mean, people just like to come out here and lounge. This is open 24/7 to our residents, so they can come down whenever they want.
We see a lot of buildings where the kitchen looks really nice, but then you're like, where's the stove? There's a 5-burner stove in there, there's an oven. You can actually come down here, make a full meal, and not need to like run back up.
People use it. I mean, they come down. I mean, this space is available to our residents 24/7.
They also have grills out on the patio, so you can cook outside, you can cook inside, you can eat outside, you can eat inside, lots of options.
A lot of people just come in here just to hang out, and it's a great sense of community.
So from the kitchen, you can look into 2 or 3 different living rooms. It's kind of cool because it's all within the same room, but you've got tons of seating space. There's always a spot. And there's amazing chairs. I wanted to try every single chair.
One of the big things about this building is that, we have a high renewal rate. So, I mean, currently we're at 60%. People just love living here.
I mean, that's really important. If you have longtime neighbors, like longtime relationships with the staff over the years, it makes it feel like home. And speaking of home, we're gonna go actually see one of the homes, a 2-bedroom unit.
Yeah, I would love to show it to you.
Okay,
Absolutely.
sounds good.
Let's go.
go.
After you. So this is our 2-bedroom model.
Yeah, everything looks very updated.
So right now, if you move in, you get a renovated unit.
So anyone moving in is getting a brand new unit right now that
brand new
hasn't been lived in since the renovation.
That's correct.
That's awesome. So as people are moving out, they're updating everything and putting in granite countertops and updated backsplash, laminate wood floors. If you're moving in now, you're the first person to live in this brand new apartment, which is pretty amazing, especially at this price point. Well, thank you so much,
All right,
Victor.
Jackie.
I appreciate the tour.
All right.
Let's head back downstairs.
Okay.
I think this building is a great balance because a lot of times when people move to the Gold Coast, there's 2 options. There's really, really expensive, and then places that, are kind of dingy and are a good value, but not necessarily somewhere that you want to live. There's a lot that's been redone in this building. It's a really nice place to live, and there's a lot of value to be had in the price points. I think one of the things that we really like about this building is that they have a lot of really usable space. They're kind of thinking like a renter and prioritizing the things that you would have at the top of your list. People are moving in here and they're staying for years and years and years.